In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move Canva templates to Microsoft Word Mobile. If you have a template that you created or edited in Canva and want to use it in Microsoft Word on your mobile phone, you can move it directly from Canva to Word using the mobile versions of both apps. First, open the Canva app on your phone. Once Canva is open, choose the template that you want to move to Microsoft Word. For this example, you can use any template you want. If you have already finished editing your design in Canva, you can prepare it for use in Microsoft Word. Once your template is ready, save the template to your phone. Tap the Share option, then choose the option to save the design to your device. Tap the same option again, and wait until the saving process is finished. Once the template has been saved to your phone, go back to your phone's home screen. Now, open the Microsoft Word mobile app on your phone. Once Word is open, choose New Document, and then select Blank Document. This will open a new blank Word document where you can place your Canva template. To move the template into Microsoft Word, tap the icon in the document to open the available options. Then select Insert. From the Insert options, choose Add Pictures or Photos. This will open the pictures stored on your phone. Look for the Canva template that you saved earlier. Since it was recently saved, it should appear among your recent photos or images. Select the template and then tap Done. The Canva template will now be inserted into your Microsoft Word document as an image. You can see the design directly inside the Word document. Once the template has been added, tap the check mark to confirm your changes. If you want to keep the document, use the Save option in Microsoft Word. If autosave is enabled, Word can also save your changes automatically. Keep in mind that when you move a Canva template into Word using this method, the template is added as an image. This means that the individual design elements from Canva will not automatically become separate editable Word elements. For example, the text, graphics, and other parts of the Canva design remain together as part of the inserted image. This method is useful when you want to place the finished Canva design inside a Word document while keeping its original appearance. Before finishing, check the document to make sure the template is positioned correctly and that the entire design is visible. And that's how you can move a Canva template to Microsoft Word using the mobile versions of both apps. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel,